Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain AI song generators. These innovative tools leverage artificial intelligence to craft unique musical pieces. By analyzing extensive musical patterns, AI can generate original melodies, harmonies, and even complete arrangements. This technology empowers creators of all skill levels to produce high-quality music quickly and efficiently, opening up new avenues for artistic expression and content creation. Several platforms stand out in the realm of AI music generation. Suno is highly regarded for its ability to produce full songs, including vocals and lyrics, from simple text descriptions. Udio, a strong competitor, often delivers exceptional vocal quality and overall production fidelity, making it ideal for more polished outputs. Sounddraw offers robust customization for beats and tracks, while Beethoven is excellent for creating royalty-free background music tailored to specific moods. Customization is key to personalizing your AI-generated music. You can typically select from a wide array of genres, moods, and tempos to guide the AI. Many platforms also support generating or inputting your own lyrics. For more control, some tools offer stem separation, allowing you to isolate and edit individual instrument tracks. Furthermore, you can often refine the song's length, adjust energy levels, and tweak arrangements to perfectly match your creative vision. Utilizing AI for music offers numerous advantages, including the creation of royalty-free tracks suitable for various projects. The generation process is remarkably swift, often producing complete songs in just 2 to 3 minutes. To achieve the best outcomes, provide clear and specific prompts detailing your desired style, mood, and instrumentation. Don't hesitate to experiment with different parameters and genres. This exploration can lead to truly unique and inspiring musical creations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.